If you're seeing GOG error code E4, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get GOG Galaxy working again. This error often shows up when the app doesn't have the right permissions, your antivirus is blocking it, or the installation folder needs to be changed. The good news is that you can fix it in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC gaming fixes, software tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Now let's get straight into it. First, close the GOG app completely. Make sure GOG Galaxy is not running in the background. You can check your system tray and also open Task Manager if needed to confirm it's fully shut down. Once it is closed, go to the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to install or update games properly. After launching it this way, try your installation or update again and see if the error is gone. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is check your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks GOG Galaxy from accessing the files it needs, which can trigger error code E4. You'll want to add GOG Galaxy to your exception list so it can run without interference. The file path you need to allow is C/program files x86-GOG Galaxy. Add this folder to both your antivirus exclusions and your firewall exceptions if possible. Every security app looks a little different, so you may need to open your antivirus settings, find exclusions or exceptions, and then add the GOG Galaxy folder manually. After that, try the install or update one more time. If you're still getting the error, the final fix is to change your installation folder. This is a very common solution, especially if the current drive or directory has permission issues. Open GOG Galaxy and click the cog icon in the top left corner to open settings. Then go to Installing, Updating. Now, open File Explorer and create a brand new folder on the root of your drive. For example, you can make a folder called D/GOG Games. The key is to place it directly on the drive root, not deep inside multiple subfolders. Once that folder is created, go back to the settings window in GOG Galaxy and select this new folder as your installation location. After selecting it, restart GOG Galaxy so the changes can take effect. Then try your download, install, or update again. In many cases, simply changing the folder to a clean new location solves the E4 error right away. So to recap, the main fixes for GOG error code E4 are running GOG Galaxy as administrator, adding antivirus and firewall exceptions for the GOG folder, and changing the installation folder to a new root level directory. Work through these steps one by one, and there's a very good chance you'll get everything working again. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.